What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Carly OBD scanner. With Carly, we can code different functions into our cars. We can check the diagnostics. We can check the service intervals. We can check for odometer fraud and behavior of past drivers. We can track live performance and statistics, as well as unlock hidden features, also known as coding. So I'm going to show you guys how to use Carly. We're going to hop into the BMW, handle some coding, check some diagnostics. Should be fun. All right, so you guys are going to want to order the Carly OBD adapter. It's going to come in a box like this. Nice little greeting card here. Here is the actual adapter for us. This Carly Universal OBD scanner, you guys, works with all car models with an OBD2 port, usually models 2001 and later. The scanner uses low energy Bluetooth technology to establish a fast and secure connection via the Carly app, which works for both iOS and Android. Carly's main features here, you guys, are manufacturer grade car diagnostics, check used cars for odometer fraud and the behavior of past drivers, unlock hidden features, aka coding, and reset service intervals. But if you guys want, you can find a detailed list of what should be possible to code for different models right on their website. A nice feature about the Carly OBD tool, you guys, is that it actually makes a backup every time you code. So if you don't like whatever you did, you can hop right back, just restore the previous coding settings. Super safe, really easy to use, and it shouldn't break your car and it shouldn't affect your warranty. There is both a free version of the app and a paid 12-month license option. The free version provides access to standard OBD functionality. With the license, all available features are unlocked. Users can purchase the paid version of the app for a specific brand or for all car brands. So you guys are going to obviously want to go ahead and download the app from the App Store and then select your current vehicle. I currently have the BMW 3 Series 2016 selected. You can of course add another car if you want to. Head back. So before we go any further, I'm going to show you guys how to actually connect this to the car. So once you guys are in the car, the OBD port is actually right down here by your left foot. And we're just going to go ahead and plug in the Carly OBD scanner into the OBD2 port down there. You'll see it blink and light up. That means it's active and you are good to go. So if you guys are actually in the app, you can go ahead and select connect down here, and it's going to tell you that you need to turn the engine on. So plug in the adapter to the OBD port, which we already did. Go ahead and turn the vehicle's engine on and make sure that the Bluetooth is also on. I checked my settings, Bluetooth is on. We're going to go ahead and fire up the car. Shut the door so we don't die of gas fumes here. But now we should be good. Let's go ahead and connect it. So right at this screen, you're going to see a bunch of options that you can go through. The health, you can go through the used car to check for the odometer readings. You're going to go through coding. We're going to go through all features. So this is the live data feature, and you can actually go in here and set different parameters for all types of stuff. If you guys want to actually be able to read like all of these statistics in real time, you can go here and set these up however you'd like. Health diagnostics up top. For this, you can go ahead and just scan the car, check for issues, and it's going to tell you everything that is going on with the actual health of the vehicle, which is really convenient to have. And then used car check. So if you guys want to see if the mileage has been tampered with or the previous driving behavior, this is a pretty cool feature to have if you're going to like buy a used car and you're not quite sure what the history is like, or if it's like been beaten on, or if the mileage has actually been tampered or not. You can actually use Carly to check this, and then you'll have a better idea before you actually lay the money down on the car if this is a car that you should be buying or not. In the digital garage section, you guys, this is where like the car reports are going to go, the coding backups, everything will be laid out in here, which is really nice. And then you'll also get like formatted PDFs if you need to send them to your email or whatever and print them out, all in the digital garage. Go back to features. You can do some pretty cool things like toggle the automatic engine start stop, turn off other unwanted behaviors. You can personalize your car to your liking, adjust the style of your car, for example, like lights and logos and stuff. Lots of cool features. So we'll go ahead and continue to coding, check coding possibilities. This might take a while. It's going to scan your ECU. So once it scans everything, it's going to show you which ECUs are compatible in your car. It looks like I have a total of 10 that are compatible in this car. We'll hit OK. Now there's going to be a lot of different categories here, but it does tell you within each category examples of what you would be coding in each one. And these are all basically different modules in your ECU. So just for this video's example, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and hop into the front electronic module, read out the FEM. This might take a while it loads it up. First created the backup for us in case we want to change anything. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And so you're going to see in here there's a bunch of different options. Now coding is actually really, really easy. So for example, there's a lot of different stuff you guys can change in here. Start stop automatic memory, start stop automatic default off, start stop automatic enabled in eco mode, start engine without the clutch. I mean, there's like tons of options that you guys can go through. You can mess with like the lights, the side markers, all of that stuff. Change the brightness of the daytime running lights, adjust the welcome lights. You can do folding or unfolding mirrors after comfort close. Tons of options here. So if you guys are interested in doing all this, you can find it right inside of the app. It's really, really easy. All you'll do is select it. You're gonna go ahead and hit code now. It's gonna code the car for you. On this car, I've coded the folding and unfolding of the mirrors when you lock it. I coded the rear DRLs to stay on all the time. So no matter if I have like my daytime running lights on or off, the rear DRLs stay on all the time. So I just think it looks better with the LCI taillights. You guys can turn off things like the seatbelt chime and like reminder. So if you're just moving the car around the parking lot and you don't want to have the seatbelt on, obviously don't drive with your seatbelt not on. That wouldn't be wise. But if you're just like moving the car around the parking lot and you want to remove that annoying chime, you can go ahead and do that in the app too. The automatic start stop, I turn that off immediately, turn the memory on, so that way the car remembers to never have the automatic start stop on. I really can't stand that feature, like when you come to a stop and the car just turns off. I hate that. So I coded that off. You can open and close the exhaust flap if you want. You can do service reset, battery reset. There is a ton of stuff that you guys can do in the Carly app. If I went through it all, this would be like a 2-hour-long video, so we're not gonna do that. So it really is that simple, you guys. You would just go ahead and code this stuff in, and then all the coding takes effect. You can go ahead and turn off the car. You can unplug the adapter. You don't have to leave the adapter plugged in order to have the codes be active in the car. I typically like to just keep the adapter in my glove compartment in case I want to use it like in the future or whatever. Really convenient to have. And then you're good to go. This scanner and app is just so convenient. Like there's just so much stuff that you guys can do to your car to just make it kind of function and operate the way that you want it to. And not to mention, you know, understanding the health of the engine and the battery and just everything inside of the car is very, very nice to have. So in a nutshell, you guys, that is the Carly OBD scanner and connected app. Pretty awesome, a lot of functionality here, and I think you guys are gonna find a ton of use out of this. If you guys are interested in buying Carly or the adapter, I'm gonna have it all linked down below. Everything that you need is gonna be linked in the description. Huge thank you to Carly for sending this out. That is gonna effectively end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.